Spain placed 4 towns under quarantine on Thursday and announced measures to tackle the economic impact of the coronavirus epidemic, which the country's hoteliers described as a tsunami threatening the survival of their businesses. From 2000 GMT, 4 towns around the village of Igualada, 49 kilometers north of Barcelona, were placed on indefinite lockdown after a significant outbreak in the area, top regional police official Eduard Salant told reporters. It is the first such restriction imposed in Spain since the outbreak began. Spain, which initially did little in response to the outbreak, changed tack this week after infection soared. It ordered a ban on flights from Italy and warned against domestic and foreign travel. Schools and universities will be closed across the country for at least 2 weeks, while the prison service cut back visiting rights across its facilities. On the economic front, funds will be directed to central and regional health authorities, prices of drugs and medical equipment will be capped, and the tourism sector will also receive financial support. There was little fresh money, however, in the €18 billion package announced by Prime Minister Pedro Sánchez, with some already earmarked payments simply brought forward. The bulk of the package goes towards allowing small businesses to make split or delayed tax payments over the next 6 months. These are difficult moments, but we will overcome them, Sánchez told a news conference. We will overcome this with unity and responsibility from all. Spain's coronavirus death toll rose to 84 on Thursday, a rise of nearly 80% overnight. Spain has the second highest coronavirus tally in Europe behind Italy. In Madrid, which has nearly 1,400 cases, the regional health authority said it would take control of private hospitals and convert some hotels into medical centers ahead of an expected jump in infections. Occupancy rates at Spanish hotels have fallen dramatically, with some left empty, and there are no new bookings due to the coronavirus epidemic, a top official at Spain's Hotels Federation CEHAT said. A tsunami has arrived. A meteorite has fallen on us and we have to see how we survive. CEHAT Secretary General Ramon Estalella told Reuters. Amid measures announced by Sánchez, which did not go as far as Italy's €25 billion, are €2.8 billion in brought forward transfers to regions, €1 billion for the health ministry and €400 million for the tourism sector. Pablo Casado, leader of the Conservative People's Party, described the measures as disappointing and called for more decisive action from Sánchez. Sánchez will hold meetings via video conference after fellow Minister Irene Montero was diagnosed with coronavirus. Regional Policy Minister Carolina Darias later tested positive, while Montero's partner, Deputy Prime Minister Pablo Iglesias, was quarantined. The lower house of parliament, already shut, will extend its closure. In Madrid, metro stations and bars were unusually quiet. Business has gone down a lot, really a lot, said José Manuel González, manager of the Santa Barbara Café. It's very quiet at lunchtime. Things have dropped by 40% to 50% since the school shutdown, as #IamStayingAtHome became a top trending topic on Twitter in Spain. 20-year-old student Alejandro Fernández said his grandparents had fled Madrid. My grandparents, who are 84 and 81 years old, have left for the countryside and locked themselves up there. We have orders not to go visit them, Fernández said. After the Prado and other major museums in Madrid, Barcelona's Sagrada Familia Cathedral said it was closing. Madrid health authorities asked people to donate blood, after a drop in donations in recent days. Doctors in the capital say they could run out of beds in intensive care units. China sent a shipment of masks and other medical supplies to help Spain and Italy contain the outbreak.